Welcome back, you're watching Tech and You. Well, now we'll show you a brand new phone from Philips. They call it the Xenium. Sounds like a chemical. Well, it's not. But you know what? It's Xenium that probably makes the battery last for up to 2 months. Gaurav does a hands-on review.
This is my chilling spot. This is where I come and relax. The sweet sound of traffic, the smoke in the air, and my cola. Perfect. I wish this moment could last, but just like these Philips mobile phones that last a month. Well, all of us know about Philips. Philips has recently ventured into the mobile segment and they've launched a couple of phones, Xenium X518 being one of them. And last week we showed you the launch and we promised you that we would be showcasing these phones and reviewing them in our upcoming shows. So keeping our promise intact, here we are with the Xenium X518 and here we are reviewing the phone just for you. Talking about the form factor, the phone is quite a usual design, though it feels comfortable to hold. It is pretty compact, the weight is also not much, so one can easily carry it in a pocket. The phone has a decent screen, but then I did find the display to be very clear and sharp. I'm sure Philips could have done a better job here. The phone has a bar at the bottom which has a main control. Rest of the phone has been kept quite clutter-free. Other than this, it just has a volume up and down button on its right and the camera click button on the same side at the bottom. The touch controls of the phones are not very good. You need to tap in a little harder. On the left-hand side bottom is a mini USB charging and data transfer slot. It is a dual SIM GSM phone with a 2-megapixel camera with flash. Very surprisingly, with 2-megapixel camera, the results are quite good. And talking about the video, it's pretty decent. As far as other options go, it has the usual SMS, MMS, email options, Bluetooth, stereo music, RDS, FM radio. It also has a micro SD memory card slot with expandable memory up to 16 GB. Well, the daylight has gone, but this phone is still on. Talking about the battery life, it gives you 40 days of standby time and 12 hours of talk time. And the reason for this long-lasting battery is what's called the Xenium technology. It's the first of its kind. It's there in all the Philips Xenium series phones. The Xenium technology makes charging mobiles a weekend affair. And what's surprising is that it's not about a bulky battery, but about the smart power management that enables almost zero battery consumption when the device is not in use. So with the Xenium technology in this phone, you'll have to shell out 5,976 rupees, which according to me is a decent price. Of course, you can find other phones in the same price bracket with great features, but then they would be missing out on the Xenium technology. So think about it. So not only you get Xenium X518, but you also get another option. It's the X513 and it's got the Philips Green Product Certification. So by the Green Product Certification, it means that it has 12% more energy efficiency as compared to other phones. This has a Xenium technology, which means that it gives you talk time of up to 20 hours, 2 months of standby time and up to 80 hours of music playback. And this one is priced for rupees 4,776. So there you have two of the best phones from Philips. Both of them have the Xenium technology. Take your pick. Time now for the rating for the Xenium 518. On the Geekometer, we give it a 7. For general user, it gets a 6. And on Style Quotient, it gets a 6 again.